but not counted out of God's plan. I'm a caged bird flying, trapped in a cage for many years, but I know God saw every one of my tears. Caged bird flying. I've heard so many talk about me, but I know they couldn't see what I could see. Caged bird flying. And I prayed so many prayers, I didn't think that God heard me then. Say, have you ever seen the righteous forsaken? Have you ever seen the seed begging bread?